Hello kids, welcome to my channel Course Crux Kids. Today we are going to read simple sentences starting with I have. I have. I have means मेरे पास है. Let's read some sentences. I have a clock. I have a clock. मेरे पास एक घड़ी है. Your turn now. I have an apple. I have an apple. मेरे पास एक सेब है. Your turn now. I have a balloon. I have a balloon. मेरे पास एक गुब्बारा है. Your turn now. I have a basket. I have a basket. मेरे पास एक टोकरी है. Your turn now. I have a gift. I have a gift. मेरे पास एक तोहफा है. Your turn now. I have flowers. I have flowers. मेरे पास फूल हैं. Your turn now. I have a book. I have a book. मेरे पास एक किताब है. Your turn now. I have a friend. I have a friend. मेरे पास एक दोस्त है. Your turn now. I have a cake. I have a cake. मेरे पास एक केक है. Your turn now. I have a laptop. I have a laptop. मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप है. Your turn now. I have a house. I have a house. मेरे पास एक घर है. Your turn now. I have a pizza. I have a pizza. मेरे पास एक पिज़्ज़ा है. Your turn now. I have a candy. I have a candy. मेरे पास एक कैंडी है. Your turn now. I have a horse. I have a horse. मेरे पास एक घोड़ा है. Your turn now. Well done kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can revise all the sentences together in one go. Read these sentences one by one yourself by pausing this video. Amazing kids! You have successfully learned the sentences starting with I have. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.